Good evening and good afternoon and welcome back to Slumberger Academy. Today we are presenting the new course. Generally this course is made in partnership with the university, in this case with the University of Tennessee. Today we are talking about logging in geothermal project. It's a special course about the logging techniques in geothermal project, and so you are focused during different point. We have different point approach. For the first point we have this case during drilling. We have different approach. For the first type we have a different approach for drilling. During drilling, type of logging tools using in geothermal project, monitoring physical parameters along life of geothermal reservoir like pressure, temperature monitoring and different physical phase, temperature and pressure logging, geophysical logging and fracture image analysis, step rate testing and spinner logging. So in presentation of this course we are focusing the first part of the techniques using during drilling, type of logging tools using in geothermal project. Generally we are make logs, for example, for temperature logs, or is just called T-logs. Purpose identify heat flow, equilibrium temperature, fluid inflow, outflow zone. And we have also pressure logs. We have P-logs, purpose determinate statistic and dynamic pressure, formation pressure and permeability zone, caliper zone. We have also the caliper logs. The purpose is to measure the borehole diameters and identify the breakout and washout fracture. It helps in make correlation with the other logs and establish the zone established and the cavity possibility expansion to have a grid fracture. For spinner flow logs, SFL, the purpose is to measure the fluid flow velocity and direction in the wellbore. Is essential to the the intermediate phase to make engineering projection. Noise log, purpose detect fluid movement through fracture or casing leaks. Resistivity and conductive logs, purpose identify the zone with different saturation content. And we have also just the neutron, gamma ray and gamma logs. We have different purpose. So this the essential types of logs is the first two, temperature logs, pressure logs, and also the spinner flow logs. And the purpose is measure fluid through velocity and direction in this wellbore. So it's clear that we are just incoming this course. We are talking about around the first theme of this course is the type of log using in geothermal project. And when we are saying this, we are just talking to temperature and pressure logs, but this item is very complex because it involves several sub-items like study conductivity thermal regimes, heat and flow, convective thermal regime, importance of water density and pressure data in hot wells, importance of feed zone control in high permeability wells, pressure down effects due to the production, high permeability effects on deep basin pressure regime. So it's clear that understand and study this part is really essential to understand and make so clear the temperature and pressure log in geothermal reservoir project. That will be next project we coming in. Thanks for attention, and for complete course we are just making and prepare for next week.